10 surprising health benefits of woodworking. Discover a fulfilling hobby that boosts well-being. Welcome to a journey into woodworking, a craft that surprisingly enriches both body and mind. Uncover the 10 remarkable health benefits of woodworking as we carve a path to improving your health in unexpected ways. Woodworking encourages focused attention, helping clear mental fog. Engaging your brain in measuring, sawing, and crafting sharpens cognitive abilities, promoting mental clarity. As you craft with precision, your mind learns to be attentive, enhancing concentration and reducing distractions. Feel the tension melt away as you immerse yourself in woodworking. The rhythmic motions and creative expression serve as therapeutic outlets, providing calmness and reducing anxiety. Each cut and carve is a meditation, releasing stress and fostering relaxation in a mindful environment. From lifting materials to using tools, woodworking is an all-body workout. It strengthens muscles, improves dexterity, and increases hand-eye coordination. This enjoyable form of exercise helps maintain physical health without the monotony of traditional routines and keeps your body active and engaged. Awaken your inner artist as woodworking offers a canvas for creativity. Designing and building projects stimulate creative thinking. It's a playground for ideas where you learn to visualize, adapt, and innovate, enriching both personal satisfaction and cognitive flexibility. Woodworking is full of small challenges, fostering valuable problem-solving skills. Facing design limitations or construction hurdles sharpens your ability to think critically and find inventive solutions. Overcoming these obstacles builds resilience and confidence in tackling everyday challenges. The craft of woodworking requires patience and persistence. Mastering techniques or completing projects instills a sense of accomplishment. This journey teaches perseverance amidst challenges, making you resilient not just in woodworking, but in life. Woodworking invites you to be present, embracing each moment of the craft. This mindful practice nurtures a deeper connection to your work and surroundings, creating a meditative state that enhances overall mental well-being. Join woodworking communities to share experiences and learn together. Engaging in group projects or workshops builds friendships and support networks, promoting social health. These connections enrich your woodworking journey and bring joy through shared creative endeavors. Celebrate the satisfaction of creating something tangible. Completing a woodworking project, big or small, fills you with pride and accomplishment. This boosts self-esteem and motivates you to tackle new challenges with confidence. Consistent practice in woodworking keeps your mind engaged and active. Whether learning new techniques or experimenting with designs, this hobby helps maintain mental agility, providing lifelong learning and enjoyment. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the health benefits of woodworking. If you enjoyed discovering these insights, please like this video and subscribe for more content that inspires and enriches your health journey. Keep crafting and stay healthy.